Product listing refers to the process of creating a list of products and services that a business offers for sale. The list typically includes details about each product, such as its name, description, price, and relevant specification. Here's how to make a product listing for free using Google tools. Getting started, you need to consider if you're going to be using media files. And if you're going to be using media files, you need to use Google Drive. The essence of using Google Drive is to create a proper folder system to which you can link back to your product listing. You can simply go to Google Drive by typing www.google.com/drive, and you'll be prompted with this page, to which you simply have to go to Drive. If you're already signed up, you'll simply be met with a page that looks like this. Otherwise, you'll be prompted to create a new Google account. I suggest using a proper cataloging system to make sure that all of your products are well listed. Here's an example. This is a product listing for a furniture company, and here's how it's been properly organized: bedroom sets, dining, hallway, living room, and outdoor. After creating a proper structure like this, you can now go to your Google Forms. Now, using Google Forms will make everything a lot easier, as it's going to lead into Google Sheets and thus creating a proper database of your product listing. Here's what we mean. To go to Google Forms, all you need to do is type www.google.com/forms, and same thing, you just have to go to Forms. You'll be met with a couple of templates that you can use to set up your product listing. So you can use one of the templates or create yours from scratch, and you're just going to have it arranged like this. So for the furniture company, I'm going to be creating a furniture product listing. So I have titled it this way. You can change this image if you like. I can give it the description, then the product name, product category, product type, product description, product price, product media. Using what's been created in the catalog folder in Google Drive, I'll be able to better create the specifications of what I need. So after creating all of this, you are literally set to go. And now you just have to go to your responses. This is where everything becomes important. Now you need to link it to Sheets. Get new email notification for new responses. I always advise that way you can see whenever you get response. So now we're going to create a new spreadsheet, and we're going to call it Furniture Product Listing 2023. And then we're going to create. What this is going to do is create a Google Sheet that has all of your information. So your product name, product category, type, description, product price, product media. Pre-filled link to use as an example. So for the links, I'm just going to come here, shorten the link. It's always better to get a shorter link. Copy it. Now we have a copied link. And then now you can just input everything and submit. So you can see your previous responses, edit your response, or submit another response. Here's what happens. Your product listing is ready and it gets pre-filled. You can always go back to the Google Sheets from Google. How do you get there? You just have to type google.com/sheets. And you can see your product listing is listed here. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. My name is Barry Musoro, and we make magic.